Hello and welcome to Royal Trainings. In this segment from the bookshelf, today I have picked up a book which is surprising, shocking and an outright assault on most of our belief on what we know about success. Yes, I am talking about a book which has a lot of research material and an equal amount of scientific data to prove that what we know about success is mostly wrong. You have heard the phrase tit for tat a lot of times. In this book, you will see this phrase in a totally new perspective. On page number 56, it says that the term and study which followed over 1,000 people from youth to death came to a conclusion that the people who surround us often determine who we become. I repeat, the people who surround us often determine who we become. On page number 80, it says we are what we pretend to be. So we must be careful about what we pretend to be. On page 89, it says research shows that a feeling of control kills stress. Even when you just feel you have control, stress plummets. In chapter 5, the author says, sometimes the mere appearance of confidence can be the difference between winning and losing. Preceding this statement, you will get to witness an amazing game between man and machine. By now, your curiosity has increased a lot and you are eager to find out the name of the book and the author. Name of this book, name of this masterpiece is Barking Up the Wrong Tree, and the author is the highly acclaimed Eric Barker. Before I wrap up, let me say this. In fact, this book can well be a part of academic curriculum across all colleges and universities throughout the globe, enabling students to know success a bit better and equip them with the right kind of tools and techniques so that success doesn't remain an elusive entity in their lives. All the best to your success. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.